In this video, I will tell you about the amazing health benefits of turmeric and how to use it to improve your overall health. You must have heard about the benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is a tropical herb that is commonly found in many Asian countries. It is a spice that is used in almost all Indian dishes and also has numerous medicinal properties. In fact, it has been known to mankind since ancient times because of its multiple health benefits and usage in traditional medicine. It has been used to cure various diseases, fight infections, and improve overall health. Turmeric has been widely used in India for thousands of years as a curative and preventive agent. In the ancient Indian system of Ayurveda, it has been widely recommended as a remedy for curing and treating a wide range of ailments. The common factor in all these recommendations is turmeric. Turmeric is beneficial for your body in numerous ways. It helps fight infections and lowers stress levels by reducing the production of stress hormone cortisol. It also improves brain function, reduces inflammation, and fights cancer cells and oxidative stress. Moreover, it helps with digestion as well as improves your immunity levels. First and foremost, turmeric is known to improve brain function. It has been scientifically proven that turmeric can slow down the progression of Alzheimer's disease and other types of cognitive disorders. Turmeric is a very potent anti-inflammatory agent. It helps in reducing joint pain and swelling, as well as eliminating the risk of arthritis. Moreover, it also helps with treating glaucoma, a disease that affects the optic nerve and leads to vision loss. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been known to be a very potent antioxidant and anti-carcinogenic agent. It helps in preventing various types of cancers, including breast, prostate, ovarian, and pancreatic cancer. Curcumin has also been proven to be a very effective antidepressant. It helps treat anxiety, insomnia, mood swings, and many other psychological disorders. In addition, curcumin helps with improving digestion and relieving you from indigestion, flatulence, and constipation. It also helps in preventing colon cancer and is believed to be a very powerful antioxidant. Turmeric has been known to slow down the progression of cognitive disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's for centuries. It has also been scientifically proven that turmeric can slow down the progression of Alzheimer's. According to a study, people who consume turmeric on a daily basis showed a 47% reduction in the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. This is because turmeric has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It also contains vitamins, minerals, and phenolic acids that help prevent cognitive disorders and improve brain function. Turmeric is an extremely potent anti-inflammatory agent and is used in treating joint pain and arthritis. It has been scientifically proven that turmeric is more potent than certain over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs in treating joint pain and inflammation. Moreover, it has been used in traditional medicine since ancient times to treat joint pain and inflammation. When you consume turmeric, it is converted into curcumin in the liver. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, and it also has strong antioxidant properties. These properties enable curcumin to fight against the free radicals that cause aging. Curcumin inhibits SOX2 enzymes, which are the enzymes responsible for pain and inflammation. Curcumin is also known to inhibit elastase, an enzyme that breaks down elastin and collagen in the joints, which causes joint pain and wrinkles. Turmeric has been known to be a very potent antioxidant and anti-carcinogenic agent for centuries. It has been proven to be a very effective antioxidant, antibacterial agent, and anti-inflammatory agent. According to a study, people who consume turmeric more than 3 times a week have a reduced risk of developing breast cancer by 44%. Researchers believe that turmeric's active chemical curcumin prevents the growth of breast cancer cells, stops the development of new blood vessels that feed tumors, and kills off existing tumor cells. Curcumin also reduces the number of estrogen receptors on the surface of breast cancer cells, making them less responsive to that hormone, which may further inhibit the growth of tumors. It also helps in preventing prostate, ovarian, and pancreatic cancer. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been proven to be a very potent antidepressant. In fact, one study found that it was just as effective as certain antidepressant medications, without any of the negative side effects. Curcumin is also a very potent anti-inflammatory, and it has been shown to be helpful for people suffering from depression due to chronic inflammation. Chronic low-level inflammation has been linked to a variety of mental health disorders, including major depression, anxiety disorders, and Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory compound that has been shown to fight against chronic inflammation, which may be helpful for those who suffer from mental health issues due to chronic low-level inflammation. Curcumin can be taken in the form of supplements, or it can be found in turmeric, a spice commonly used in Indian cuisine. According to a study, people who consumed turmeric showed a significant reduction in stress and anxiety. Moreover, it also helped with improving mood swings and many other psychological disorders such as insomnia, mood swings, and many other psychological disorders. Turmeric has been known to help with improving digestion and relieving you from indigestion. It is widely used in Indian Ayurvedic medicine and traditional Chinese medicine as a curative and preventive herbal remedy. Nowadays, it is gaining popularity in the Western world as well, mainly because of its proven health benefits, flatulence and constipation. It also helps in preventing colon cancer and is believed to be a very powerful antioxidant. Turmeric has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It has also been shown to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a potent anti-inflammatory that has the ability to reduce levels of pro-inflammatory compounds in the body. It can also reduce the symptoms of arthritis, improve liver function, and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. It helps in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. It also helps in boosting immunity and fighting infections. Moreover, turmeric is also used to treat infections like cough, cold, and flu because of its antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Turmeric is an extremely powerful and potent spice that has been used in traditional medicine since ancient times. It has been proved through numerous studies that turmeric has amazing health benefits and can be used to prevent many diseases. One of the best things about turmeric is that it is extremely safe and can be used by people of all ages. There are no reported side effects of using turmeric. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of the numerous health benefits of turmeric and its health-promoting benefits. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to comment. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you want more videos on nutrition and healthy lifestyle, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.